Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Different by Design. I'm your host, Nick Treaster, and in today's interview, we will be talking to the daughter of a former Studebaker worker. She had her beautiful lark at this zone meet in Oklahoma, and unfortunately, there was some copyrighted music, but we tried to edit most of this out. This video will likely be demonetized by YouTube since the DJ was playing copyrighted music. So if you could give us a like and a subscribe. Basically, I thought that this video is valuable enough to share with everybody else. This is the daughter of somebody that worked for Studebaker, so she's got firsthand experience with the company and grew up around South Bend.
My dad built this car. He worked for Studebaker.
Wow, that's amazing.
That is cool.
People say rock and roll is good.
Alright, let's see that medal. So that was your...
This was my grandfather's medal when he retired. It's got his name on it. And this was my dad's, my dad's locker key.
Oh my
He
gosh.
was there till till they closed in 1963.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So he lived to 102, but I didn't find the car till after he had passed. So that's my only regret, is that he didn't get to go for a ride.
Yeah.
So your dad and your grandfather both worked for Studebaker?
Yep.
Do you know where they worked or what they did?
My dad was on the assembly line, and then he also worked in the paint shop. So, in my heart, he put a part on this car.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And then he ushered at Notre Dame for 40 years in the press box. He's got his usher hat in the back, and that was a plate that he had in his shed. And then the plate says Joe's baby, and her name is Jean, after my mom.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. I love that.
My favorite car ever.
Yeah.
So, do you know when your grandfather would have started at Studebaker?
Oh, heavens. You know, I'm not sure. I don't know, but early on. Early on. I mean, everybody worked for Studebaker in South Bend.
Yep.
So when they closed in 63, the whole town was in a depression. So my dad actually found work in General Motors outside of Chicago.
Okay.
And we lived on Ironwood Drive. We could hear Notre Dame when they scored. They were so loud from our house. And but my dad just loved Studebaker. He said, best car ever.
Yep.
And there's a picture over here. I'll show you something. This is so I named it Joe's baby because I'm the baby of the family.
Oh, you are?
He loved my mother to death. They married 70 years, and that's Jean and Joe.
Aw.
And she was his baby. So the plate just encompasses everything. And then there's a picture on the seat where they were walking into the Studebaker Museum.
That's amazing.
A lot of history with her.
So, were there a lot of Studebakers in your driveway growing up?
Growing up, probably before my time because I was born in 59, but they had hawks, they had a golden hawk, they had Commander, but yeah, they had lots of Studebakers growing up. And he could smell a Studebaker 50 miles away.
Yep.
He was a hoot.